Recent arrival. CARFAX One-Owner. Clean CARFAX Firecracker Red Clearcoat 2020 Gladiator Jeep 4D Crew Cab Rubicon 4WD 3.6 liters V6 24 volts VVT 8-speed automatic Apple CarPlay / Android Auto, backup camera, BEDLINER, Bluetooth, service records available, remainder of factory warranty, recent oil change, leather seats, moonroof / sunroof, navigation system, tow package, Gladiator Rubicon, 4D Crew Cab, 3.6 liters V6 24 volts VVT, 8-speed automatic, 4WD, 4.10 rear axle ratio, 4-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, Apple CarPlay / Android Auto, front anti-roll bar, illuminated entry, low tire pressure warning, ParkView Rear Back-Up Camera, performance suspension, radio, Uconnect 4W/7 display, rear anti-roll bar, tachometer, telescoping steering wheel, 97 miles per hour maximum speed calibration, ABS brakes, air conditioning, alloy wheels, AM/FM radio, SiriusXM, automatic temperature control, brake assist, compass, delay off headlights, driver door bin, driver vanity mirror, dual front impact airbags, dual front side impact airbags, electronic stability control, front bucket seats, front center armrest with storage, front dual zone AC, front fog lights, front reading lights, fully automatic headlights, garage door transmitter, heated door mirrors, integrated rollover protection, leather steering wheel, navigation system, occupant sensing airbag, outside temperature display, panic alarm, passenger door bin, passenger vanity mirror, power door mirrors, power steering, power windows, premium cloth flowback bucket seats, radio data system, rear reading lights, remote keyless entry, security system, speed control, split folding rear seat, steering wheel mounted audio controls, tilt steering wheel, traction control, trip computer, variably intermittent wipers, voltmeter, Gladiator Rubicon, 4D Crew Cab, 3.6 liters V6 24 volts VVT, 8-speed automatic, 4WD, 4.10 rear axle ratio, 4-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, Apple CarPlay / Android Auto, front anti-roll bar, illuminated entry, low tire pressure warning, ParkView Rear Back-Up Camera, performance suspension, radio, Uconnect 4W/7 display, rear anti-roll bar, tachometer, telescoping steering wheel. Awards, 2020 KBB.com 10 favorite new for 2020 cars proudly serving, Chattanooga, Lookout Mountain, Ringgold, Graysville, Walden, Dalton, Huntsville, Nashville, Murfreesboro, Knoxville, Cookeville, Rome, Atlanta, Lynchburg, Cleveland, Dayton, and all of Greater Tennessee, Georgia and Alabama.